20 healthiest foods with no carbs and no sugar. Hey everyone! Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of healthy, low-carb eating by exploring some of the most nutritious foods that also happen to be sugar-free. Whether you're following a keto diet, managing your blood sugar, or simply aiming for cleaner eating, this list of 20 carb-free and sugar-free foods is going to make it easy. Trust me, these foods aren't just healthy. They're also super delicious and versatile. Let's dive in and get to know these incredible, nutrient-packed foods that can take your meals to the next level. First on our list is arugula, also known as rocket in some parts of the world. Arugula is a leafy green with a distinct peppery taste that adds a kick to your dishes. It's incredibly low in calories, carbs, and sugar, making it a perfect choice for anyone aiming to eat clean. But arugula isn't just about low-carb benefits. It's also loaded with vitamin K, which helps with blood clotting and bone health, as well as folate, which supports cell function and growth. Additionally, arugula contains nitrates that may help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. It's great in salads, but you can also use it to top pizzas for a spicy bite, blend it into green smoothies, or even make a flavorful pesto. Arugula's versatility in the kitchen means you can add it to just about anything for a burst of flavor without compromising your diet. 2. Radicchio. Radicchio, with its striking deep red and white leaves, is a member of the chicory family. This veggie offers a slightly bitter flavor that pairs perfectly with sweet and acidic ingredients like apples, oranges, or balsamic vinegar, making it a great choice for salads. Radicchio is completely free of carbs and sugar, which is excellent for anyone looking to cut those from their diet, but it's also packed with nutrients. It's rich in fiber, which supports a healthy digestive system, and contains antioxidants like anthocyanins that help reduce inflammation and combat oxidative stress in the body. Eating radicchio may also help stimulate the production of bile, supporting liver function and digestion. Try grilling it to add a smoky flavor, roasting it as a side dish, or tossing it in a stir-fry to enhance the complexity of your meals. 3. Dandelion greens. You might be surprised to learn that those dandelions growing in your yard are more than just weeds. Their greens are incredibly nutritious. Dandelion greens are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, providing support for your immune system, skin health, and bone strength. They are also known for their detoxifying properties, particularly for liver health, as they may help increase bile production and support liver function. With zero carbs and no sugar, dandelion greens are a fantastic addition to a low-carb diet. They have a slightly bitter taste that works well in salads, especially when paired with sweeter vegetables like carrots or citrus-based dressing. You can also sauté them with garlic for a delicious side dish or even add them to soups for a nutritional boost. Their bitter nature may also help stimulate appetite and digestion. 4. Spaghetti squash. Spaghetti squash is a low-carb eater's dream come true. When you cook this squash, its flesh separates into spaghetti-like strands that make an excellent alternative to traditional pasta. With virtually no carbs and sugar, it's a fantastic substitute for anyone looking to avoid starchy foods. But there's more to spaghetti squash than just being a pasta alternative. It's rich in fiber, helping you feel full longer, and contains essential vitamins such as B6 and C, which support metabolism and immune health. It's a versatile ingredient. You can enjoy it with marinara sauce, mix it with garlic and olive oil, or even use it as a base for a low-carb stir-fry. Plus, it's a great way to sneak more vegetables into your diet without feeling like you're sacrificing comfort food. 5. Spinach. Spinach is one of the most nutrient-dense leafy greens you can add to your diet. It's low in carbs and has zero sugar, but it's packed with iron, magnesium, and vitamins A and C, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to boost their nutrient intake while keeping carbs low. Iron is essential for healthy blood, while magnesium supports muscle and nerve function. Spinach is also rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, which are powerful antioxidants that help protect your eyes from damage caused by UV light. There are so many ways to enjoy spinach. You can blend it into smoothies for a nutrient boost, use it as a base for salads, stir it into soups, or sauté it with garlic as a flavorful side dish. Since it has a mild flavor, it easily blends into a variety of dishes, making it one of the most versatile low-carb greens. 6. Asparagus. Asparagus is a delicious and nutritious vegetable that's completely carb and sugar-free. It's not only a tasty addition to any meal but also serves as a natural diuretic, helping your body get rid of excess salt and fluids. This makes asparagus a great food for reducing bloating and promoting kidney health. It's also high in folate, which is essential for healthy cell division, and contains prebiotic fiber that supports gut health by feeding beneficial bacteria. You can enjoy asparagus in so many ways: grill it for a smoky taste, steam it for a tender texture, or roast it with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt for a crispier bite. Asparagus pairs beautifully with lemon juice or Parmesan cheese, making it a delicious and sophisticated addition to any meal. 7. Broccoli. Broccoli is a staple in many healthy diets, and for good reason. This cruciferous vegetable is extremely low in carbs and sugar, yet packed with fiber to aid digestion. It's also an excellent source of vitamin C, which supports the immune system, and contains sulforaphane, a compound known for its cancer-fighting properties. Sulforaphane may help detoxify harmful substances from the body and reduce inflammation. Broccoli's versatility in cooking is endless. You can steam it for a simple side dish, toss it into a stir-fry, blend it into a creamy soup, or even eat it raw in salads or with dips. Its slightly sweet and earthy flavor makes it a family favorite, and because it's so nutrient-dense, a little bit goes a long way in terms of health benefits. 8. Cabbage. Cabbage is a highly underrated vegetable that is incredibly beneficial for your health. Low in carbs and sugar-free, it's an ideal choice for anyone on a low-carb diet. Cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable, which means it's loaded with fiber, vitamin C, and other essential nutrients that support gut health and reduce inflammation. It also contains glucosinolates, which are compounds that may help protect against certain types of cancer. There are so many varieties to choose from: green, red, and Savoy, each offering slightly different flavors and textures. Use it in coleslaw, add it to soups for extra bulk and nutrition, ferment it into sauerkraut for probiotics, or roast it to bring out its natural sweetness. 9. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is like the chameleon of the vegetable world. Not only is it low in carbs and sugar-free, but it can be transformed into so many dishes, including cauliflower rice, mashed cauliflower pizza crust, and even cauliflower wings. This versatile vegetable is packed with vitamin C, which helps boost immunity, and provides antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. It also supports digestive health due to its fiber content. Roasting cauliflower brings out a nutty flavor, while steaming preserves its soft texture. You can blend it into soups for a creamy base or mash it as a low-carb substitute for potatoes. With cauliflower, you can create delicious, satisfying dishes without the carbs. 10. Celery. Celery is often associated with low-calorie diets because of its high water content and crisp texture, but it's also carb-free and sugar-free, making it a perfect snack for low-carb lifestyles. This hydrating veggie is rich in vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting and bone health. It also contains antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation. The natural sodium content in celery helps replenish lost electrolytes, which is especially beneficial for people on low-carb diets. Celery can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. Chop it into salads, use it as a base for soups, or enjoy it with healthy dips like hummus or guacamole. Its versatility and refreshing crunch make it a must-have in any low-carb diet. 11. Carrots. While carrots do contain more carbs than some other vegetables on this list, they're still a fantastic low-carb option due to their nutrient content. Carrots are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A to support eye health and immune function. They're also known to promote skin health and can help reduce cholesterol levels. Carrots add a natural sweetness to dishes, making them a great ingredient for balancing flavors. You can enjoy them raw as a crunchy snack, roast them to bring out their natural sugars and enhance their flavor, or grate them into salads for a colorful touch. Their bright orange color is due to the high levels of beta-carotene, which also serves as a powerful antioxidant. 12. Chard. Swiss chard is a leafy green vegetable that's often overshadowed by kale and spinach, but it's just as nutritious. It's carb-free, sugar-free, and loaded with vitamins K, A, and C, as well as essential minerals like magnesium and potassium. Magnesium is especially important for muscle function, while potassium helps regulate fluid balance and blood pressure. Chard stems come in a variety of colors, from white to vibrant red and yellow, adding visual appeal to your dishes. The slightly bitter taste pairs well with garlic and lemon, and it's perfect for sautés, soups, or even as a substitute for tortillas in low-carb wraps. Chard is also high in antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and protect your cells from damage. 13. Cucumber. Cucumbers are not only refreshing but also extremely hydrating, as they are made up of more than 95% water. This high water content helps keep you hydrated and promotes healthy skin. Cucumbers are also completely carb-free and sugar-free, making them an ideal snack or salad ingredient for those looking to cut down on carbs. They contain small amounts of vitamin K, which supports bone health, and silica, which is beneficial for skin health. Slice them into salads for a crisp, cool crunch, pickle them for a tangy treat, or even blend them into a refreshing cucumber mint smoothie. With cucumbers, you get hydration and nutrition in one refreshing package. 14. Eggplant, aubergine. Eggplant's unique texture makes it a great low-carb alternative for dishes that usually call for starchy vegetables. It's carb-free and sugar-free, but it's still loaded with nutrients like fiber, which supports digestive health, and antioxidants like niacin, which helps protect brain cells from damage. Eggplant skin contains many of its antioxidants, so try to include it in your recipes for maximum benefits. It absorbs flavors well, making it an excellent ingredient for dishes like ratatouille, baba ganoush, or eggplant parmesan. Salting eggplant before cooking can reduce bitterness and enhance its texture, making it even more enjoyable to eat. 15. Lettuce. Lettuce is one of the most versatile and carb-free foods you can add to your meals. With varieties like romaine, iceberg, butterhead, and more, each type of lettuce brings a different texture and flavor to the table. It's low in calories, carbs, and sugar, yet contains small amounts of vitamins A and C, which support skin health and immune function. Lettuce is perfect as a base for salads, a crunchy layer in sandwiches, or as a wrap for burgers and tacos, replacing carb-heavy bread or tortillas. Its high water content also helps keep you hydrated while providing a satisfying crunch. 16. Mushrooms. Mushrooms may not be a traditional vegetable, but they're certainly worthy of a spot on this list. They are carb-free, sugar-free, and contain important nutrients like vitamin D, selenium, and potassium, which support bone health, immune function, and fluid balance. Mushrooms are also a great source of umami, a savory flavor that enhances many dishes. Try grilling portobello mushrooms for a meatless burger alternative, sautéing button mushrooms with garlic for a flavorful side, or adding shiitake mushrooms to soups for a hearty touch. Their earthy flavor adds depth to any dish, and their versatility makes them perfect for low-carb cooking. 17. Zucchini, courgette. Zucchini is one of the most versatile vegetables when it comes to low-carb cooking. You can spiralize it into noodles, often called zoodles, slice it into chips, bake it into casseroles, or even add it to bread and muffins for a low-carb twist. Zucchini is low in carbs and calories but high in vitamin C, which supports skin health and immune function. It also contains antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect your eyes. The mild flavor of zucchini allows it to blend seamlessly into a variety of dishes, making it an excellent addition to savory and sweet recipes alike. 18. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are like tiny cabbages and are packed with nutritional benefits. They're low in carbs, sugar-free, and contain high amounts of fiber, which supports digestion. Brussels sprouts are also rich in vitamins C and K, promoting immune health and bone strength. When roasted, they develop a caramelized flavor that pairs well with balsamic vinegar or crispy bacon. They also contain sulforaphane, a compound that may help reduce cancer risk. Add them to casseroles, slice them thin for a salad, or simply enjoy them roasted with olive oil and sea salt for a delicious and nutritious dish. 19. Kale. Kale is one of the most well-known superfoods, and for good reason. It's extremely low in carbs and sugar-free, but high in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium and iron, making it a fantastic choice for boosting overall health. Kale is also rich in fiber and contains powerful antioxidants like quercetin and camphorol, which help reduce inflammation and support heart health. You can enjoy kale raw in salads, blended into smoothies, baked into crispy chips, or sautéed with garlic and olive oil for a nutrient-packed side dish. Its slightly bitter flavor can be softened with a touch of acidity from lemon juice or vinegar. Finally, we have olives, which are technically a fruit but deserve a spot on this list due to their low-carb, sugar-free nature. Olives are high in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which support heart health and help maintain healthy cholesterol levels. They also contain antioxidants like oleuropein, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect against chronic diseases. Enjoy olives as a snack, toss them into salads, or add them to Mediterranean dishes for a salty, flavorful kick. Their versatility and rich taste make them a great addition to any low-carb meal plan. And there you have it, 20 healthy, carb-free, and sugar-free foods that can help you maintain a balanced diet while keeping your meals flavorful and satisfying. With options ranging from leafy greens to hearty vegetables, you'll never feel limited on a low-carb eating plan. Incorporating these foods into your diet can support your overall health, keep you feeling full, and help you enjoy a variety of delicious meals. Which of these foods are your go-to favorites? Share in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy eating tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.